Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up uploading new rows from Google Sheets to the Kajabi service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new lines from Google Sheets to other systems. For example, in Kajabi you can send data via webhook, creating new people. It is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Google Sheets data source system. At this point, you need to select an action. Get rows new. At this stage, you need to connect your Google Sheets account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, we need to specify the username and password of the personal Google account. Next, be sure to check all the checkboxes. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. Then you need to specify the file and sheet from which you plan to receive new lines. In the Start Data Loading with Row No field, you must specify the row number from which you want to start unloading. For example, if you have 1000 rows in the table, and you do not want to transfer all these rows, you need to specify the number 999 in order to start downloading from the last one. In this case, I have 2 rows in the table, so I will put 2. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so just click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the string you specified in the settings. If you are satisfied, click Next. On this setting of the Google Sheets data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up data reception. Choose Kajabi as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Send data. At this stage you need to connect your Kajabi account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the URL to which data will be sent from ApiX-Drive. To get it, go to your personal account Kajabi. Then you need to go to the Sales section. Select the necessary offer and go into it. Then click More and select Webhooks. If you want to add new people, copy the activation URL and paste it into the corresponding field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, we need to select the type of sending. Post. After that, you need to compose the parameters, which consist of the name of the variable and the value that will be sent with this variable. We will use the standard values for the Kajabi service. In order for another set of variables to appear, click Add. When all the necessary parameters are compiled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Kajabi on every new row in Google Sheets. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Kajabi. After successful submission, go to Kajabi and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the Kajabi data reception setup successfully. Now you need to enable auto update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.